Now to the latest on that building collapse in the Bronx. Preparations are underway right now for crews to conduct an emergency demolition of parts of that building posing a threat. The crews are getting to remove those pieces of the building that you can even see here hanging in that collapsed corner of the building. Now, the FDNY spent hours searching through the rubble and the debris last night, and fortunately, they did not find any victims there. However, 2 residents did suffer minor injuries while evacuating the building as it was going down and had all that damage. More than 40 families are now getting help from the Red Cross.
Well, whether it is something like yesterday's collapse or a devastating fire or deadly flooding, the unexpected can leave families desolate and homeless. Yeah, 7 on Your Side has some reasons why renters insurance is so important. Here's Nina Pineda.
Jacqueline Tomlinson has lived on the 6th floor of the Bronx building, which partially collapsed, since 1987. She just added renter's insurance last month for the first time.
The other day when I had to renew my car insurance, the Geico told me if I bundled with the renter's insurance. And so I just decided because I never did before.
A smart move, because she should be covered for any personal property she lost, plus for the loss of use of her apartment. Renter's insurance also covers medical payments to others, personal liability, and any additional living expenses you incur while displaced.
Insurance is not that expensive for renter's insurance. Renter's insurance can range from $150 a year to up to $500 a year. It all depends on the coverages and the limits that you purchase.
Public insurance adjuster Phil Maltaghati helps victims of all types of disaster with their claims. Whether or not the insured tenants of the collapse will be covered will depend on what caused the corner of the building to come down. Covered perils are things like fire, lightning, explosion, weight of snow, ice, or rain on the roof, or falling objects. But collapse has to be caused by a covered peril.
It's very rare to experience a collapse, so it's a good question to ask your insurance company, do I have coverage? God forbid, a collapse does happen.
Phil says even renters who do get insurance don't get enough coverage for personal property and loss of use.
Make sure that you have the proper limits to match your exposure. If you have $100,000 in personal property possessions, you should have $100,000 in contents coverage. You're going to want to make sure that you have proper temporary housing coverage. God forbid you have to move to a hotel temporarily and then over to a new house rental.
Most landlords require tenants to have renter's insurance when they first sign their lease, but then they don't follow up. So it's up to you to keep renewing your policy and make sure you have adequate coverage. On the Upper West Side, Nina Pineda, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.